When your crypto is gone, is it gone for good? It's a terrifying question, especially if you've been the victim of a phishing attack. You've just clicked a fake link, entered your Uphold account details, and watched your funds disappear. Now you're asking the most important question: can you get it back? The short answer is, it's highly unlikely. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Unlike a bank that can reverse a fraudulent credit card charge, crypto transactions are final once they're confirmed on the blockchain. Phishing scams work by tricking you into giving away your keys or sending funds directly to a scammer's wallet. Once the scammer has your assets, Uphold, or any other exchange, has no way to claw them back. However, that doesn't mean you should do nothing. The very first thing you need to do is immediately freeze your Uphold account to prevent any further withdrawals. You can do this from within your account settings if you still have access, or by contacting their support team immediately. Next, you need to report the incident to Uphold's support team with as much detail as possible, including transaction IDs, timestamps, and the phishing site's URL. While they can't recover your funds, this information is crucial for them to investigate the scammer's wallet and potentially flag it for other users. You should also report the scam to the relevant law enforcement agencies. The best defense is a good offense. Always check the URL of any site you're on. Enable two-factor authentication on your Uphold account, and never, ever, share your password or 2FA codes with anyone. If something feels suspicious, trust your gut and verify the source directly through official channels, not through the link in the email or text message you received. Stay safe out there.